Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I will not lie, I am not the biggest fan of winter, but when you have a really nice warm jacket like this one from Pooluly, it makes it more bearable. This jacket is a hip-length, waterproof jacket that is great for cold weather and for the snow, thanks to its waterproof materials. The inside lining is warm and fuzzy, so you feel warm the entire time that you're wearing this coat. It also has elastic at the end of the sleeves so that you can keep the snow out of your gloves and protect your hands and arms. In addition, I really like that the jacket has very durable zippers. All of the pockets have zippers so you can keep everything nice and dry, but the front part has a heavy duty zipper, and I find that I often have jackets where it's really hard to zip up the coat, and there's nothing worse than feeling that cold coming in, but thanks to the durable zipper on this one, you can stay nice and warm. The hood is completely detachable, which makes it a great option as the weather starts to change in case you don't need that hood. This is the dark gray color, which I opted for, and I really appreciate that it's a true dark gray. You can see that fabric on the outside has nice water repellent features, and it will keep you warm through the coldest of winters. But that's my point of view.